guys! At meron po tayong video ngayon. We are back with the bomb. Sikliglig at tumataginting na video today, and we are unboxing some luxury items. So these are one of the most favorite videos that I make, but unfortunately we are not one of those crazy rich Asians, so I only do this maybe once a year. Let's jump straight into the video. I will start with the easier thing to open, and that's this one. For me, I try to go in store because I want to feel the entire experience. I want to browse the store and be able to feel the ambience when I'm buying, but that might not be the case for you because you might want to shop at the comfort of your home, like online shopping, seller website, or resale groups. But for me, I prefer going in stores so I could feel the entire ambience. This is it. It comes in a dust bag, and when you open it, just simple. I got this black bucket hat. There it is. Bucket hat has been a big part of my life right now. I just wear them wherever I go, whether it's sunny, it's rainy, a little bit drizzly. I don't usually wear a lot of headpieces. It's because of my square face, and I find it hard to find a headdress that would suit me. And so bucket hat is so perfect because it's rounded. It sort of creates like that curve in my face and just reduce like the angles that's coming out of my face. Also, not to mention, it's a good sun protection as well. I picked up this black nylon with denim lining. It just has that inside, so you can actually reverse this one and you have a denim bucket hat. I don't know if they advertise this as a reversible bucket hat, but I am definitely planning to use it as a reversible one. But it just has this tag and you just need to remove it. There's some stitching there, as everything has, which you can definitely just remove with any sharp scissors or a cutter. Or then you can also have this beautiful black nylon. As I've said, I picked this one up because it's such a versatile piece. You can wear it when it's sunny, winter, summer, or when it's just a little bit drizzly. Instead of using an umbrella, you can definitely use this one. You might be asking, why black? When I went in store, I was actually planning on getting the white one. It's because it's such very summery, but I just realized that we wear a lot of makeup, sunscreen especially, that transfers into the fabric. You might have problems with staining and all those kind of stuff. I just wanted to briefly interrupt this video to tell you that I did not realize that white wasn't a good option without my sales associate, Dassy. Hi Dassy from Prada Melbourne. Thank you so much for assisting me on that day, and thank you so much for your input. Let's get back into the video. Black is such a carefree color, and especially it's because it's nylon, it's water resistant, and you can just wipe it with antimicrobial wipes, I suppose. So this will be rain proof, makeup proof, everything proof. So ayan, ganito siya pag sinuot. Parang it elongates my face because I have such a square face, as I've said. Yeah, I really like it a lot. And you can wear this Prada on the front, but dun sa website nila, ina-advertise nila as sa gilid, which I don't mind. Ganyan lang siya. And guys, I so love this one. It's just like, even with what I'm wearing right now, you could wear it everywhere. You know, and if it's summer, you could wear it with a cute little black dress, or any summery dresses, like a short one, or even when you're like plain jeans and shirt, and then you have this, it's like mwah. So good. It is a thumbs up for me. What I didn't like about this one, it's just that it didn't come with any sort of protection. No, it did come with some protection, but it didn't come with a box. I don't know, I just like my things that come in a box, you know. But this one came with only just a dust bag, but I'm not sure what other branches does, if they have this in a packaging, or if you purchase this online, or when you're getting it from Farfetch or from anywhere else in the world. I don't know if it comes with a box. If it does, then I definitely recommend getting that one instead of just getting this piece by itself, because you know, syempre pag magta-travel ka, you want to put it in some sort of a case so it doesn't get squished or dented or anything else. I love it! Love it, love it, love it! Moving on, let's go and unbox this one. Ayan nga pala yung paper bag niya, and I just love how they put a little bit of something, like a little bit of ribbon on the ties. I just love ribbon because sometimes I use it on my hair tie. Okay, so actually this one comes with 2 receipts. This one is like the official ABN receipt, and this is the store receipt. But I just love how they are, you know, protected. And ito na siya, the box. This one comes in a box. Oh, baliktad. Yan pala. Yan. Prada, and it has a ribbon. Now let's open it. I think you guys would be surprised with what I got. Pause this video and drop a comment saying what you think this is. But I'm surprised that I liked it, so I also think that you guys will be surprised too. But without further ado, let's open the box. With a little bit of a chiffon packaging, but when we open it, there is our dust bag. It has a bit of a pillow in there. It's so cute. Here is the dust bag, you guys, and when you open it, 1, 2, 3. This is the Prada re-edition in nylon material. It says here, Prada re-edition 2005. It has a little bit of a care pack. It says here it's a hard-wearing nylon fabric combined with detailing in calf skin. It is probably just like a authenticity calf. Meron siyang parang stuffings on the bag, and then nandito yung mga niya, straps niya. So the first one is definitely the thick strap, which we'll open in a second, and the second one is this beautiful silver chain. It has a D-ring here, and then D-ring on the other one too, and then this thicker strap. And it has like a little bit of pouch there, the big one, like that. So that's the complete look. Okay guys, so they are matching like that. So this one is the reason why I went to Prada in the first place, but they showed me this one and it was a very unexpected item. I was just like, wow, ang ganda niya. Marupok ka, girl. Marupok ka. I've already seen this around, like when I go to shopping centers, people would be wearing this one, and I was just like, I think I'm one of those people who say na hindi siya worth it for its price. That's not worth it, you girl, because it's like just nylon, it's not even leather. you know, it won't be hard wearing. But when I got there and I saw it in person and tried it on me, it was just like parang sobrang swak. This is me, like, you know, in a normal casual basis. I like pieces that I could dress up and down. When I saw it, I was like, this is definitely gonna work in my wardrobe, and that I could wear it when I'm running errands or when I'm just simply going to like a brunch or dinner. Yeah, so you could wear it like that. But so one of the Jenners has this and they just wear it like that. Kendra Jenner. And you know, I'm a very casual person. I wear shirts and jumpers and track pants all the time. So I reckon this will look good when I'm in kind of those days where I don't really want to bother with what I'm wearing. The nylon material, I thought I would hate it, but it's still a luxurious feel, and that the nylon itself is so lightweight, so durable and so wearable. So I'm used to babying my luxury items. Like, I wouldn't wear it when it's raining because pag nabasa siya, baka masira yung leather and stuff like that, when you can't even touch your item when you just put hand cream on. And so I feel like this one is a very like low maintenance, basically. You know, like sometimes you would think about if there will be a color transfer, but with this one, because it's black and it's nylon, you can wipe it. You can wipe it, not every day though, but it's just like maybe once every month or something. You can wipe it with the slightly damp wipes. It's perfect for traveling because it comes crossbody, and then you can put it in like your front bit, and then hindi ka na mananakawan. It's so roomy. So nice. As I've said, I didn't really expect to like this one. I've already told you, I've been like in your position where you would see it around and just admire it from afar, but I tell you, you have to go in store and try one of these, or if you have a friend that has it, maybe ask them if you could try it, because you might like it. I think you're really missing out not having to have a look at this one. Okay, so if you're in the hunt for your next designer piece, I really recommend having a look at this bag or the bucket hat if you are interested in that. And if you are already interested in the bag, good on you for seeing what it really is and how much potential it has. What I can say that it is RaphaelleZoe approved. I can already see myself reaching for this bag a lot. As I've said, I'm one of those people who thought that it is not worth the price, but with how much you could wear it and where you can wear it to, I definitely say that it will bring the cost per wear down. I will leave it to your assessment and to your own judgment, but for me, I gave in kasi marupok yung ate nyo girl. I wasn't even interested in getting this one, but when I went in store, really, like my heart just dropped. I gave in to my urges. Anyway, I'm gonna have to be back. Someone's just calling me. Okay, iPhone says it was from Adelaide, and I do not know anyone from Adelaide, and I'm not even expecting a call from Adelaide. So I just want to take this time to warn everyone to be careful of scammers. Like, they are really rampant at the moment, and I'm so sorry for everyone who has been scammed. I hope you got your money back, and if you got scammed, I hope you're not, parang do not hesitate at wag kayong mahiya to go into the correct body that deals with it, because the more we report them, the more na pwede silang ma-take down. And I was just hearing on the news that be careful of the people you share your private identity with, because identity theft is a real problem. Want you all to be very, very careful when sharing your details. Anyway, back on this video. To be honest, I am very much surprisingly stoked about how good this bag is. The craftsmanship and just how it is, you know, like this is my first Prada bag and my first Prada item. The devil wears Prada, he said. Sure. Anyways, I hope you guys had fun with this video with 2 of my new eye candies. Please do let me know through the comments below if you want me to make a video on how I'm planning on styling these ones, or if you want me to do like what fits in here. If you do want me to make a video on that, please comment below. And guys, like and subscribe because it helps the channel a lot. It helps me a lot. As always, be a blessing to one another and see you on my next video. Ciao!